I think Gorbel has done a great job of providing equipment that does what they said it would do. We have been very pleased with everything we've gotten from them so far. The employees were asked to handle 80-pound rolls, 80 pounds, 70 pounds, and 40 pounds. The process was that the person handling the roll or the straight links had to lift up the stack of product and put it in the box. So the owner of our company realized that, hey, it's an ergonomic issue. So we put that lift assist in place. It will make their job a lot easier. That is the right solutions. They were great to work with. We use that vendor a lot, and we have been very pleased with everything that they have done so far. It works better, the employee can handle it better, so that is great. And I think the lift assist will do nothing but help the employee. So I would recommend it highly.